All right, I'm here in New Hampshire. Finally gonna get to take up the motor on axle Hard Park meets Profit Designs. I got some rocks I finally can do. I'm on vacation in New Hampshire, so let's try and see what we can do. Maybe too steep. Try to do up here. Oh, come on. Come on, we can do this. Need the rear to connect. There we go. There we go. Got a little bit overdrive hooked up. The moss makes these rocks a lot slipperier than they should be. Oh, we got up that spot pretty good. All right, next challenge is up this. Get a lot of moss. We'll see if we can hook up here. There we go. All right. Whoop, I'm paying attention to the camera, not my line, and that kind of fouled me up. Gonna have to slowly go back. Ah, yeah, I had the line, but I messed it up with paying attention to the camera. Let's try it again. Come on. All right. Start over. Let's start over. Let's see what we can do. Let's get that leaf out of the way. All right, let's do this. There we go. Rear steer is helping out a lot right now. It was helping out a lot. Again, that moss is extremely slippery. Come on. There we go. Oh yeah. And we're over. That was a good test there. Definitely a good test. Again, that moss is just, should be able to get up this. The belly's just barely rubbing. Back her up, try this. Try a different approach. Here we go. Had to punch it. So you guys have been wondering about locking the diffs. So here we go. We're gonna lock the back and slowly go over this. Open it up a little bit because it was caught, and we'll drag it down again, and again just slowly go over it, then open it back up. And the articulation's great on this truck. Hopefully I don't have it fall over that side. Have the tires hook up a little. That left one wants to slide. Hopefully she'll stay put. And there. Feels like it's